Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how basically you can download text and the CSV file as an attachment using React.js. Basically, you can see we have a save button out there, and if I now click this button, my text file will be downloaded and I will be having this data that I configured out there. Let me change this data, modify this data inside my React.js code here. So you can allow users to download text and CSV files. Let's suppose I change this data. So now if I now refresh this application, you will see again that file will be downloaded, and now this will have this data here. You can see that John Williams. So now I will be showing you guys what library we are using here for downloading these static files, text and CSV. So this is basically the library React-download link, and this is basically the very first link which comes here. You need to install this. 5,000 weekly downloads are there. So I have given all the source code guys in the description of the video of all the example code that I will write in this video. So just go to the description of the video to copy paste all the source code. So after you install this library guys, which is npm i react dash download dash link, I have already installed it. So now what you need to do is that you need to import that library, which is download link, from React download link, and inside this we will have the functional component. So here we will simply return. So now you will see a basic hello world message here. So instead of hello world guys, we will have a simple button which allows you to basically construct a text file. We will use this directive here guys. We will simply say download link, and now if you see, there is a save button out there. So as you click this button guys, the value is undefined. You need to define the value here. So it basically takes some options. First is the label of the button. You can change the label of the button guys. Let's suppose download text file. So now if you see, it will change to download text file. The label button is changed. The second attribute it takes is the actual file name that will be downloaded. So let's suppose I give here input.txt and export file. This is basically the callback function guys, which will execute inside curly brackets. So here you can define your data guys. This can even be a function. So we'll say download file. So we can define the function right here. So inside this function guys, we can simply have basically a string value. So we can simply return here John Williamson. That's all. Click on this input.txt, and this is, you can see John Williamson. You can see that. So basically now this is, you can even change to any extension of your choice. Let's suppose input.csv. So now CSV file will be downloaded. You will see input.csv. So but we need the format of the data of the comma separated value. For CSV file guys, we need to change the data here to match the content of the CSV. So you can simply say name, age, country, so 3 columns, and then we will have a line break. And then we can have John 25 USA, again a line break, and then we can have Kim 50. So we have 3 columns and 2 rows. And now if I try to CSV file, so you will see we have 3 columns: name, age, country, and then we have John 25, USA, Kim 56, and England. So in this way, guys, you can download text and CSV files locally inside your system as attachment using this directive of React.js. All the source code is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video.